In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using the Hostinger website builder. Let's dive right in, making this process as smooth and easy as possible for you. To begin with, you'll need to access the blog management panel within the Hostinger website builder editor. This is your central hub for all things related to your blog. Now, if you're not familiar with where to find this, don't worry. It's typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. Just take a moment to locate it, and you'll see that it neatly organizes everything you need in one place, offering you convenience and control over your blogging efforts. As you open up this panel, one of two scenarios will likely present itself. The first possibility is that the website template you've chosen already includes a blog section. If that's the case, you're in luck, as you'll immediately notice sample blog posts already on your page. These samples are there to give you a visual framework that you can customize later, adding your own unique content to suit your vision or niche. Now, if your template doesn't come with a blog section pre-installed, there's no need to fret. This is where the option to click Start a Blog becomes a game changer. By selecting this option, the website builder will automatically incorporate a blog section into your site. This inclusion comes with some pre-populated sample posts to give you a head start on how your blog could eventually look and feel once you fill it with your unique ideas and topics. These first steps are all about getting the infrastructure ready, setting the stage for your content. Whether nestled comfortably into an existing blog section or jumping off from scratch with a newly added segment, you now have a solid foundation from which to grow and develop your blog. Remember, the beauty of using the Hostinger website builder is its intuitive design that allows for flexibility and creativity, no matter your starting point. As you familiarize yourself with the blog management panel, take a little time to explore its features. Look at how you can edit the sample posts, maybe adjust the layout, and start thinking about the themes or niches you want to explore in your blog. Each option and setting is there to enhance your site, allowing you to tailor your blog to connect personally with your audience. So there you have it, a straightforward process to kick off your blogging journey using Hostinger's comprehensive tools. Whether you're a novice just starting out or a seasoned blogger looking to simplify your site management, you're set up with the essentials needed to create an engaging and personalized blog. Keep exploring the features available, enjoy every creative moment of sharing your voice with the world, and remember, your blog is a reflection of you, so let it shine.